What's up guys, Johan here from Trading Walk, and in this video I want to show you a Nvidia trade, a few things I look for when taking trades. Let's just begin here. We want to keep things simple, just trade in the direction of the trend. And a few things we have here is we have 10x trading system added to our charts, and we use 10x trend 2.0 signals. And what we can see here is basically we're in a downtrend here on the left. Then we have this kind of a volatility increase, a gap down, large red candles. And usually the thing I look for when trading stocks is I want to trade strong names. So what are the underlying fundamentals? Do I believe in the company and such? Nvidia was in an area here where I wanted to look for buy signals. And what we basically have here then is we're breaking this high and taking out these sell signals. So I'm not interested in trading these sell signals here. I'm just watching the chart, patiently waiting for my setup. Then when we have the higher high, I'm basically anticipating a higher low. What I looked for was basically buy signals close to the 50% Fibonacci, drawing between this low and this high. And what we can see here is basically we had the first 10x buy signal here. I did not enter on this one because it hadn't retraced enough for me to make this a good risk reward ratio trade. Basically, it's too close to the top, so I'm just watching this. I know there's buying pressure here, but I'm not ready to take this buy signal. If the first 10x buy signal would appear down here, would have been a great entry. But now we have the buying pressure already starting to form up here. We have price coming down slowly. What I basically want to see here is when we have an uptrend and we see buying pressure and price haven't retraced to this kind of Fibonacci buy zone. I want to see at least a break of a level before taking the trade. And we had basically a stop loss hunting below this low and then buying pressure immediately. And that's when I looked at the hidden demand level of this buy signal right here. I simply put my limit entry order here with a stop loss below the signal dot, very important, and my take profit up at the 161.8 Fibonacci, also basically taking out these highs, and this was a nice 6.67 risk reward ratio trade. Really simple. I basically was in and out and made a 26k win on this trade. So simple setup, simple rules. Hope you found this helpful and happy trading.